Not too long ago, I reviewed Sofabaton X1 Smart Remote, and you can watch the video by clicking that link up there. Now, I'm reviewing their U1 remote. Let's unpack this and move on.
So yeah, stick it out. Oh, it's difficult to take out. Ah. Come on!
Okay, please have a notch here and here or here and here just to make it easier for everybody. So you got the manual, instruction manual. Oh yeah. Oh, it comes with a battery. Yep. Can put in the battery inside here, I presume.
Why is it so difficult to take out?
This is annoying.
Okay, there we go.
All right. You can see here, tells me to connect to the Sofabaton app, just like the other remote. But look at this remote. This remote is beautiful. See, I really wish the X1 is using this remote. So yeah, it says here, connect to the Sofabaton app. You can just download it on your app store. But this beautiful thing, it has this roller thingy here to scroll up and down. The buttons, le button. You have direct access keys for number, playback, and everything like that. This is how a remote's supposed to be, right? None of those minimalistic remote with only 4 or 5 buttons. That's just not enough. You need something tactile like this. This is very good. Yeah, by having direct access button, you can assign certain button to do other things than the activity. So my initial reaction is I like this remote a lot. Let's play around with it further. So just like anything else in the world today, you have to download the Sofabaton app. And once you install it, you click it, and the app will ask you whether you want to connect to U1 or X1. In this particular case, you click U1. And you pair it via Bluetooth using the minus and E button pressed at the same time. Then it will ask you for your location. Of course, I'm in Canada. I choose Canada. Then you can start adding equipment. Like you have to add, you put your manufacturers of the device and the device model number. For example, Sony 65X90K. And to make sure that there is no error while uploading the data is being sent to the remote one by one. What I'm trying to say is if you have 5 different products, each product remote command will be uploaded to the remote one by one. So in my case where I upload the Sony TV and JVC projector, the app syncs the data one device at a time, which is a good thing. And after you download it, of course, you're gonna have to access whichever you want. In this case, JVC projector. You scroll it to JVC projector, or in this case, do then an AVR, and then you press OK. Then it will load that. Sony TV. You click OK, and you see that blinking. Then it accesses the Sony TV preset. Simple, straight to the point, very, very, very extremely affordable at 70 bucks. Coupled with a whole bunch of direct access button, there's nothing, absolutely nothing that can make you not buy this unit. I, for one, highly recommend this to any audio video calibrator and installer so you can have every single remote code in your hand. And again, at that low price, There's nothing in this world that matches this remote, even at double the price. So buy it. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.